Welcome to AutoDrive Zone, your destination for the latest updates on future cars and groundbreaking automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of electric mobility to explore the upcoming Hyundai Ioniq 9, a flagship SUV expected to hit the market in 2026. This model is set to redefine Hyundai's EV lineup with futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding performance. Bold exterior design. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 takes inspiration from the brand's parametric pixel design language, offering a bold, commanding look for the road. Expect a muscular SUV body with sharp lines, pixel-inspired LED headlights, and a full-width LED tail light strip that gives the rear a futuristic identity. With its large stance and aerodynamic silhouette, the Ioniq 9 is designed to combine style with efficiency. Spacious and tech-packed interior. Inside, the Ioniq 9 focuses on comfort and advanced digital experiences. Anticipated features include a massive panoramic display stretching across the dashboard, advanced augmented reality heads-up display, and customizable ambient lighting. As a large three-row SUV, it's built to accommodate families, offering flexible seating and premium materials, blending luxury with sustainability. Electric performance. Under the hood, the Ioniq 9 is expected to use Hyundai's eGMP platform, the same base powering the Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 7. However, the Ioniq 9 will take things further with dual-motor all-wheel drive options and an estimated range of over 450 miles 725 kilometers on a single charge. With ultra-fast 800-volt charging technology, it could recharge from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, ensuring convenience for long-distance travel. Advanced features. Technology is at the heart of the Ioniq 9. Expect Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, AI-powered driving assistance, and Hyundai's next-generation infotainment system with over-the-air updates. Safety will be prioritized with smart sensors, adaptive systems, and enhanced driver monitoring features. Sustainability focus. Hyundai continues its mission towards sustainability with eco-friendly materials inside the cabin, from recycled plastics to plant-based leather alternatives. Solar roof technology may also be introduced, helping extend driving range while reducing energy consumption. Conclusion. The Hyundai Ioniq 9, 2026, is shaping up to be a game-changer in the electric SUV market, combining futuristic design, groundbreaking technology, long-range capability, and family-friendly practicality. It represents Hyundai's bold step into the future of clean mobility. Stay tuned to AutoDrive Zone for more insights into upcoming cars and innovations shaping tomorrow's roads. Thanks for watching.